In progress.
If you ever need a VPN, there is a great solution which can be free. It's called Planet Free VPN, and we'll see right now what is this VPN and how you can use it for free. So all you have to do is to use the link in the description to go on their website, and there you will be invited to download the right software for your device. So they are available, of course, for computers, but also for mobile phones and everything. If it is not the right one displayed here, you can click here on product and select what corresponds to your product. So either Android, iOS, for Chrome mobile browser, a web browser extension, or for your desktop, so Windows, Mac, Linux, and more. So in our case, let's download for Windows. Just one click, the download will start automatically. Save the file on your computer, install it, and you will get a VPN, free VPN right away. So what is this free VPN? It is this program. So all you have to do is to locate it then in your Windows, if you install it on Windows, so Planet VPN. So right now, as you can see, I am located in Warsaw, Poland, and I can select one of their free locations. So they have few free locations: France, Germany, Netherlands, USA, United Kingdom. For example, if I select France and connect to it, after a little while, so it takes a few seconds to connect, and for your computer connection to be complete, we will be connected in France. So again, you can select a few locations. As you could see, I did not create an account. I did not log in. I am logged out, and here I am connected to France. So let's update the web page. My IP hasn't been updated yet. Let's try again. It might take a few seconds, or even depending on your exact location and setup, up to a few minutes for the IP address change to be taken in consideration. So even if I am already in France, the IP address is not updated yet, maybe because it's in the session. So let's try another IP location service, for example, this one. And let's see what they are saying. They should say normally that we're here. Here we go. So I am now located in Paris, Ile-de-France, and I have the new IP address that has been updated and is the one from the VPN. So very simple. You get a few free locations, so they might change in the future. But right now you have France, you have Germany, you have Netherlands, you have USA, you have United Kingdom. So if you need a free VPN, these locations, for example, for free, download it, link in the description, Planet Free VPN. And if you get a subscription, a paid one, you can access one of the premium servers. So they are located a bit all around the world, depending on what you need. If you want, to access Netflix in Japan, or watch a TV channel in Portugal or whatever, just get a paid subscription. Actually, Planet Free VPN is one of the cheapest VPN on the market. So for example, if you get the 3 years deal, it will cost you only $2 per month. Is the cheapest on the market. It's for example more than 50% cheaper than the main some of their main competitors like NordVPN, which is more expensive. So of course we recommend you taking this 3-year subscription, which will drive your VPN price down. So simple, free, available on all devices, and with the cheapest offer on the market, you will access to a lot of servers, a lot of more countries for your VPN. So let us know how it works out for you.